What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to share something. This is gonna be my 6 months review on Max Speeding Rods. This is the ones that come with the camber plate at the top. It's one of the latest models that they have. I had it for nearly a year, but I actually put them on just about 6 months ago. As you can see, the spring, the shock absorption on this is actually still good. The bushing is brand new, but there are some things that concern me with this model that maybe Max Speeding Rods should be looking into. The first is this bearing. The bearing, as you can see, it doesn't move at all. It's stiff. It is stuck. I actually took it apart from here. This seal, you could take it out with a little paper clip or a bobby pin, whatever. You could take it out, and I re-greased it. I re-greased it with some Kendall Super Blue, and it's still stuck. I'm hoping that, you know, later on in life it will loosen up with the grease that I added. They do have this little bearing here, and then this happens to sit in the bearing, and I guess this does a better job of being a bearing than the bearing itself. So what I am gonna be doing is I'm gonna be greasing all of this up, since this is what actually has most of the movement on the actual stem itself. I also see that there's rust buildup here. There's plenty of rust building up here, so I am going to be adding some grease on there just to make sure that, you know, the life sustainability lasts a little longer. I'm going to be adding grease on these plates. These plates are the ones that mount to the springs. I painted the springs, that's why you see them a different color. I'm going to be putting some grease on this because sometimes I see customers, they argue that there's a clicking noise on some of the Max Speeding Rods, and it's because some models used to come without this. So when the spring used to sit on this, after a while it used to make a groove on here right into this. It used to make a groove right into this, and due to the fact that they put this cheap bearings, whenever the spring used to turn with the actual bottle itself, that's where you used to get that clinking, blink, and it was actually the spring moving, setting itself loose from this stiff bearing plate, basically. Another thing that concerned me a lot was this. This is where my sway bar connects to. This is where the sway bar connects to. As you can see, it's broken. Now what I am gonna be doing is, or I already did, and that's the reason why I painted all this stuff, I took the ear off from here and I welded it straight to the bottom cup. I welded it straight to the bottom cup. Now what was happening was also, this goes somewhere here, and every time I used to take a strong curve, it used to spin. It used to spin and it used to hit my rim. And it was one point that I took a curve so strongly that my rim hit it, and it actually caused damage to the rim, but my rim broke the piece off. It broke it off. So what I did was, and I did it on both of them, I cut it off on this one perfectly, and I just welded it on here, and now it's permanent. It's stiffer than it could ever be. It's just a poor design that they have, and it was very bad. Also, this one here is broken on the other one. I had to send that one to be welded as well. So I'm waiting for this piece to come back with the welded ear and a welded new pin, because that pin broke off from the other one. Well guys, I hope you like it. I hope I'm helping some of you guys with some of this. Like I said, you know, make sure I'm gonna grease the stem. I'm gonna grease here with this thing. I am gonna be greasing here in between this thing, and also a little bit of grease here with the cup, just to see if I could extend the life of these things. I mean, I believe when I paid for this, they were $300 and change, and now they're up to like $450. They are getting very expensive, and it's pretty much the same kit that down the line it will give you the same issues. Mind you, this is only 6 months old, and you already see the problems that I'm facing. I mean, I corrected them and hopefully I'll get another 6 months out of this. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.